Step into a world where comfort seamlessly intertwines with nature's splendor. This video takes you on a virtual tour on the exquisite Fernery Lodge and Chalets, a haven of serenity that boasts luxurious accommodation amidst the lush wonders of the outdoors. It offers more than just a place to lay your head. It's a sanctuary where time seems to stand still, allowing you to relish the embrace of stillness and unwind from everyday life. So join us on this visual journey through Fernery Lodge and Chalets as we showcase the symphony of sights and sounds that make this destination an idyllic retreat for nature enthusiasts, peace seekers, and adventurers alike. Discover the allure of Sanddrifrivier and its cascading waterfall, a harmonious ode to the beauty of this region. Fernery Lodge and Chalets is situated in the heart of the picturesque garden route of South Africa. Specifically, it is located near the Tsitsikamma National Park, a renowned area known for its coastal beauty and indigenous forest. The lodge's strategic positioning provides guests with unparalleled access to some of South Africa's most stunning landscapes. The lodge is cocooned by the breathtaking expanse of the Sanddrifrivier, a meandering river that winds its way through the landscape into the Indian Ocean. The lodge itself draws from the historical significance of the region, integrating its natural beauty with a touch of the past. The original fernery, after which the lodge is named, was a hub of fern cultivation in the late 1800s. These ferns were collected and exported to Europe as decorative plants.
Pragtige bos. Daar was een muur van 'n plek hier.
Over
beers.
time, Fernery Lodge and Chalets has evolved from its historical roots into a luxurious retreat that offers guests an opportunity to immerse
Daar na
themselves
die
in the natural splendor
restaurant
of
toe en
Tsitsikamma
die ander
while
uitkykpunt.
enjoying modern comforts and amenities. So immerse yourself in the stunning wooden cabins and chalets that greet you with luxury and
Ons terug by
relaxation.
bos. Ons plekkie gewees. Blue Lily. En ons view. Ons gehad het.
Dit is nog 'n bietjie georganiseer. Net die
Ja,
waterval die Radford Beach, daar's een.
Prepare to be captivated by the crown jewel of this haven, a majestic waterfall that stands as a testament to nature's unparalleled artistry. With its cascade, the waterfall lends an air of enchantment, its
ja.
soothing sounds merging with the surrounding symphony of birdsong and rustling leaves.
Ja, ek sou hom gaan haal het. Maar dankie.
Whether you're savoring on a gourmet meal or engaging in outdoor activities like hiking, bird watching, swimming in the pool, or simply strolling through the verdant gardens or forest, every moment is an invitation to connect with nature. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more explorations of breathtaking destinations. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever experienced such an enchanting escape? Let's ignite the wanderlust. The beautiful self-catering chalet